If you could finish the sentence or thought. Okay. So now you've had a chance to kind of establish some of this thinking, kind of get you where you are. And remember, this is about that transfer of learning. How are we getting that over to the students and getting them in the ownership, if you will? Now, page 26 and 27, which are the pages that I set out for you, and you could read it out of your book as well, I guess. I made copies. I forgot I was giving you the books. But anyway, if you want to talk to the text and you don't want to write in your book, then you got a piece of paper. Sorry. So on page 26 and 27, it is the summary of chapter 2. And you'll realize very quickly into reading it, it really gave me some great thinking around kind of the predicament I feel that we're in education, especially around the content expectations and kind of moving toward the Common Core State Standards. So I'll leave it with that. And I do think it speaks a lot to this transfer of learning. In other words, putting our students in position to do the learning. So what I'd like us to do is what's called the Say Something protocol around this. And essentially that means you're partnering up and you and your partner would both read a paragraph. So both of you together read the first paragraph silently. It's fine, of course. We are elementary. I want to make sure we're not doing like choral reading. But read it together, and then one or the other of the partners then say something. And then once somebody says something about that paragraph, the other person says something. Keep it kind of short and concise that way, and then go on to the next paragraph. Okay? And then what we'll do is that I'll just have you share out thinking, or maybe at the end give you more time just to have dialogue around it. But see what you get from reading through the piece and do that Say Something protocol. So read a paragraph together, one partner says something, then the other partner says something, then read the next paragraph. Okay? What questions do you have around that? All right, go ahead.